My name is Tom, and I usually hate morning alarms. My smartphone starts ringing at 7 o'clock today. I feel very tired, but my eyes are still closed. I wear my simple blue t-shirt because I slept in it. My short brown hair is messy and goes in every direction. Suddenly, I see my roommate Mia standing near my bed. Mia is a very energetic person who loves the morning. She wears a gray sports top and looks ready for the day. "Wake up, Tom. The sun is already high," she says. I look at her bright face and feel a bit jealous. Mia has short dark hair and a very tidy white headband. I'm a proactive man, but waking up is difficult. The 3D Pixar world of my bedroom is full of soft light. My blue eyes are slowly opening to see the new day. This is the first step of my new healthy routine. Mia thinks that the first hour defines the whole day. I'm satisfying with her help, even if I'm sleepy. Logic tells me that I need a productive start today. I put my phone away and sit up on my bed. The morning light makes the dust dance in the air. Everything looks organized and high quality in Mia's life. I want to have the same energy as my friend. My blue t-shirt feels a bit crumpled after the night. Meeting the morning with a smile is a big challenge. Mia is already moving towards the kitchen very fast. I take a deep breath and finally stand up. The first scene of my day is about the struggle. I am Tom, and I want to change my habits. We are a great team of two different morning people. The journey to a better version of me begins. I follow Mia into our bright and modern kitchen. The room smells like fresh air and clean surfaces. Mia takes a tall glass and fills it with water. She adds a fresh slice of yellow lemon into it. "Drink this first, Tom. It is good for you," she says. I take the cold glass and feel the smooth texture. The water tastes sour, but very refreshing and clean. My blue t-shirt looks bright against the white kitchen tiles. I am satisfying with the logic of hydration. Mia is already preparing some tea for herself today. Her dark hair is neat, and her car eyes are sparkling. I feel a little bit more awake after the first drink. Tom has a kind smile, even if he is still quiet. The 3D world of our kitchen is full of realistic details. Every lemon seed is visible in the bright morning sunlight. We talk about the importance of drinking water early. I am a proactive man who values a healthy body. Mia tells me that our brains need water to think fast. My blue eyes are focused on the lemon in my glass. Everything looks organized and high quality on the counter. I finish the drink and put the glass in the sink. My short brown hair is still a bit messy, but better. Subsurface scattering on the lemon makes it look delicious. We are heroes of a healthy and logical Pixar story. The second scene captures the power of fresh water. I am Tom, and I'm starting to feel the energy. Mia gives me a thumbs up and smiles very broadly. The morning atmosphere is becoming very positive. Our kitchen is a place of health and good logic. We are ready for the next part of the routine. We move to the living room where the plants are. Mia says that our muscles need a little bit of love. She raises her arms high and stretches her back. I try to repeat her movement, but I am very stiff. My blue t-shirt is a constant detail of my style. Mia laughs gently at my clumsy and slow movements. "Be gentle with yourself, Tom," she says kindly. I'm focused on my breathing and my balance today. We do some simple yoga for 5 minutes together. My blue eyes follow Mia's professional and smooth actions. She is a real expert in health and body logic. I feel my blood moving faster through my whole body. The Pixar style makes the green plants look vibrant. Every leaf is ultra detailed and catches the sunlight. I am satisfying with the quality of this exercise. Tom looks healthy and much stronger than 10 minutes ago. Mia's gray sports top is perfect for this activity. Meeting the day with movement is a proactively thinking step. We talk about the benefits of a strong and flexible back. I am a proactive man who wants to avoid pain. The living room is a peaceful place for our routine. Everything looks organized and very high quality around us. My short brown hair is warm from the physical work. We finish our stretching and take a deep breath. The third scene is about the awakening of the body. I am Tom, and I am becoming a morning person. Mia is happy to see my progress and my effort. The logic of movement is essential for my new life. Our apartment is full of morning light and energy. We are ready to prepare a delicious breakfast. We return to the kitchen to prepare our morning meal. Mia says that breakfast is the fuel for our success. We take 2 bowls and put some oatmeal inside. I add some fresh blue blueberries on the top today. The colors of the berries are deep and very beautiful. Mia holds a wooden spoon and stirs the warm milk. I am satisfying with the smell of the hot cereal. My blue t-shirt matches the color of the berries perfectly. We stand together at the counter and work quickly. Mia has a very high-quality approach to every ingredient. This meal will give you energy for hours, she promises. Tom smiles broadly because he is finally hungry. My blue eyes watch the steam rising from the bowl. Every blueberry has a tiny drop of water on it. We talk about our plans for the working day. I am a proactive man who needs a lot of energy. The Pixar world of our breakfast is ultra-realistic. Logic tells me that healthy food is a stable choice. Mia's headband is still tidy and perfectly white. Everything looks organized and very high quality on the table. We sit down and eat our oatmeal in a happy silence. I believe that this routine is the best thing ever. My short brown hair is finally brushed and neat. We are a great team of 2 healthy roommates. The fourth scene captures the joy of a good meal. I am Tom, and I love this sweet morning taste. Mia tells me a story about her yoga class yesterday. The atmosphere is very warm and full of friendship. Our kitchen is a temple of good morning habits. We are ready to plan our tasks for today. After breakfast, we take our planners and sit down. Mia says that logic is the key to a productive day. I have a paper notebook and a black ink pen. I write down 3 main goals for my afternoon. My blue t-shirt looks professional in the home office. Mia points at a task and gives me a clever advice. Focus on the hardest thing first, Tom, she suggests. I'm a proactive man who values his precious time. My blue eyes are focused on the lines in my notebook. We talk about time management and logical priorities. Every word in my planner is high quality and clear. Mia has her own digital tablet for her busy schedule. The Pixar style makes the office look clean and calm. I am satisfying with the structure of my new routine. Tom has a kind smile and a very sharp mind today. Meeting the challenges of the day requires a plan. Subsurface scattering on our skin makes us look real. Everything looks organized and very high quality in this room. We spend 10 minutes thinking about our future success. Mia thinks that a clear plan reduces stress and worry. I believe that she is the best mentor for my morning. My short brown hair reflects the light of the lamp. We are heroes of a smart and logical Pixar story. The fifth scene is about the power of organization. I am Tom, and I am ready for any challenge. Mia gives me a high five and closes her tablet. The logic of the day is now perfectly clear to me. I feel confident and very productive this morning. Our house is full of the spirit of achievement. We are ready to go out into the world. I put on my black backpack and check my keys. I feel fresh, energetic, and very happy today. My blue t-shirt is ready for a long day of work. Mia stands near the door and gives me a final smile. Have a wonderful and productive day, Tom, she says. I am a proactive man who is ready for anything. My blue eyes are bright with energy and good hope. The sunlight streams through the open door and hits me. I am satisfying with the results of our morning. The Pixar world outside looks vibrant and very busy. Everything looks organized and high quality on the street. Tom looks healthy, strong, and very active today. My short brown hair is tidy and looks great. Meeting the day is easy after this perfect routine. I wave my hand to Mia as I walk to my car. Her gray sports top is the last thing I see. The logic of our morning is a success for both of us. Every step I take is full of confidence and joy. I believe that habits are the foundation of a good life. The sixth scene captures the start of a great journey. I am Tom, and I am finally a morning person. The city background blurs into a dream of success. Subsurface scattering on skin makes the finale look real. My story about the morning routine ends here. I am satisfied with my stable decisions today. Highly high quality, detailed character models are safe. The sky is blue, just like my favorite t-shirt. I'm a proactively thinking man with a big heart. The day is waiting for my visit and my work. Our friendship and our routine make life better.
Write a comment. 3 best comments get 20 English lessons completely free.